Most people think electric cars are maintenance-free. That's why they're shocked when their Tesla starts losing range, performance, or reliability way too early. But here's the truth. A Tesla Model Y can last over 300,000 miles if you treat it the right way from day one. In this video, I'll show you the exact habits, checks, and small decisions that separate high-mileage Teslas from expensive mistakes, so your Model Y keeps running like new for years, not months. Regular maintenance tips. Even though Tesla vehicles require less maintenance than traditional gas-powered cars, regular upkeep is still crucial. Skipping these steps could lead to reduced performance, safety risks, or costly repairs. Tire rotation and alignment. Tesla recommends rotating your tires every 6,250 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits. Uneven tire wear can affect handling, efficiency, and even battery range. Keeping up with tire rotations and ensuring proper alignment prevents unnecessary strain on the vehicle. Brake system checks. Unlike conventional vehicles, Teslas use regenerative braking, which significantly reduces brake wear. However, it's still essential to check brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels annually. Neglecting brake maintenance can compromise safety and lead to expensive replacements down the road. Cabin air filter replacement. Tesla recommends replacing the cabin air filter every 2 years, or every year in high-pollution areas. A clean filter improves air quality inside the vehicle and keeps the HVAC system working efficiently. Software updates. Tesla vehicles regularly receive over-the-air software updates that improve performance, add new features, and address potential issues. Staying up to date ensures you're benefiting from the latest technology and fixes, which can directly impact your car's longevity. Staying on top of these maintenance tasks ensures your Model Y continues to run smoothly and safely. But what about the most critical part of your Tesla? The battery. Let's dive into that next. Battery care and longevity. The battery pack is the heart of your Tesla Model Y, and its health directly determines the vehicle's range, performance, and lifespan. Proper care can help your battery retain its capacity for hundreds of thousands of miles. Optimal charging habits. To maximize battery life, avoid charging to 100% regularly unless you need the full range for a long trip. Tesla recommends keeping the charge level between 20% and 80% for daily use. Additionally, frequent use of superchargers can generate excess heat, which may accelerate battery wear. Use slower home chargers whenever possible. Avoid extreme temperatures. Batteries are sensitive to temperature extremes. Parking your Model Y in a garage or shaded area can help prevent overheating in summer or freezing in winter. Activating the preconditioning feature before charging in cold weather can also protect the battery. Monitor battery health. The Tesla app provides insights into your battery's performance and overall health. Regularly checking this data allows you to detect any potential issues early. If you notice sudden changes in range or charging behavior, it may be time to consult a Tesla service center. Taking care of your battery isn't just about preserving range. It's about ensuring the overall health and functionality of your Tesla for years to come. Still, even with excellent battery care, advanced maintenance plays a key role in long-term reliability. Software updates. What to enable and what to avoid. Tesla software updates can either extend your Model Y's lifespan or slowly reduce its long-term performance, depending on how you handle them. Updates often bring new features, bug fixes, and efficiency improvements, but not every update is automatically good for every driver. You should always enable safety-critical updates. These include improvements to braking logic, battery management, thermal control, and system stability. These updates directly protect the health of your battery, motors, and onboard electronics, especially as the vehicle ages. However, be cautious with experimental or performance-focused features. Updates that increase acceleration, unlock new driving modes, or aggressively optimize power delivery can place extra stress on the battery and drivetrain over time. If your goal is reaching 300,000 miles, reliability matters more than short-term performance boosts. Also, avoid installing updates immediately on day one. Give the Tesla community a few days to report bugs, range changes, or software issues. Waiting allows you to avoid updates that cause unexpected battery drain or system glitches. Finally, make sure your car is parked, plugged in, and stable during updates. Interrupting an update can create long-term software issues that are difficult to fix later. Advanced maintenance and professional services. For long-term maintenance, some tasks are best left to Tesla-certified professionals. Advanced systems like suspension, wheel alignment, and software diagnostics require specialized tools and expertise. Wheel alignment and suspension checks. Over time, driving on rough roads or hitting potholes can throw off your Model Y's wheel alignment and affect the suspension. Misalignment can lead to uneven tire wear, reduced efficiency, and poor handling. Having these systems checked every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you notice steering issues, ensures your vehicle stays in top condition. Battery and cooling system inspections. Tesla's liquid-cooled battery system helps regulate temperature and maintain efficiency. Scheduling professional inspections every 2 years can catch any leaks or wear in the coolant system, preventing more significant problems. High-voltage system checks. As an electric vehicle, the Tesla Model Y relies on high-voltage components like the inverter and motor. Periodic inspections by a Tesla technician ensure these systems remain safe and efficient, minimizing the risk of costly repairs. While Tesla's advanced technology reduces the need for traditional car maintenance, staying proactive about these professional services can save you money and hassle in the long run. But are you unknowingly making a mistake that could undermine all your efforts? Many Tesla Model Y owners overlook the importance of their charging habits. Plugging in daily and frequently charging to 100%, even when unnecessary, is one of the most common mistakes. This behavior accelerates battery degradation, leading to reduced range and eventually costly battery replacements. By simply adjusting your charging habits to maintain levels between 20% and 80%, you can significantly extend your battery's lifespan and avoid these expensive consequences. Whether it's keeping an eye on Tesla battery health or scheduling long-term maintenance, small decisions today can make a big difference in the future. The next section dives into one of the most overlooked aspects of vehicle longevity that even experienced Tesla owners need to know. Don't miss it. Conclusion. Maintaining your Tesla Model Y isn't complicated, but it does require commitment to a routine. Regular tire rotations, brake checks, and software updates keep your car running efficiently. Thoughtful battery care, such as charging within recommended levels and avoiding extreme temperatures, ensures you get the most out of your Tesla battery health. And for long-term maintenance, professional services for alignment, suspension, and high-voltage systems will keep your Model Y performing like new for hundreds of thousands of miles. By avoiding common Tesla mistakes, like improper charging habits and staying consistent with maintenance, you can enjoy a smooth ride and optimal performance for years to come. Your Model Y is built to last. If you give it the care it deserves, 300,000 miles is just the beginning. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Tesla News Explained for clear, practical insights that help you get the most out of your Tesla. New videos every week covering ownership tips, updates, and long-term reliability. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.